ClearTax presents India's first comprehensive GSTR9 solution. This will simplify the process of preparing and filing GSTR9. GSTR9 is the GST annual return for the entire financial year. For financial year 17-18, the due date was 31st December 2018, which was then pushed to June 30th, 2019, which is just around the corner. So it's about time we should start filing. As we all know, GSTR9 form is a lengthy form of 19 tables, which needs in-depth understanding to fill each table correctly. Since GSTR9 once filed cannot be revised. Thus, we need to take extra precautions while filing and ensure that it's accurate. It requires comparing books and file data of GSTR1, 2A and 3B for the financial year 17-18 and financial year 18-19. This much data will take hours to download from the GSTN portal. ClearTax GST provides you with the ultimate solution to GSTR9 filing. Follow this video to experience the features like one-click download of all the GST returns filed for 21 months over and ITC amounts as per the books and look out for mismatches. Go inside each of the tables with the inbuilt audit trail to each line item. Excel-like software screen for working online and with the GSTR9 form. A summary table to get the exact additional tax payable, if any. Tables of GSTR9 as per filed returns, including even those tables that are not autofilled on the GSTN portal. A simple 17-point checklist to identify potential errors in the form with suggestions for correcting the errors. Click Data Upload to GSTN and filing with the new and advanced ClearTax Assistant for GSTR9. Let's take a look at how you can use the ClearTax GST software to start filing a hassle-free GSTR9 return. To begin filing your GSTR9, you need to first log in to the ClearTax GST portal, go to the Returns section and click on GSTR9. You will see an option to download data from GSTN. Once you click on Download Data from GSTN, you would need to enter your login credentials, CAPTCHA, and then you would have to request OTP, which will be sent to your registered mobile number and email address. This enables all data to get pulled from the GSTN that will help generate your GSTR9 form in just one click with an active OTP. As you know, getting the data from GSTN portal for all the months is a time-consuming task, which has been simplified by ClearTax. So here comes ClearTax to your rescue, where we give you an option to download data in just one click. In only few minutes, all your data of 63 files gets downloaded. You can track the status by clicking on View Status. Once the data download is successful, the summary table gets populated to get the exact tax payable, if any, basis the overall GST liability and the tax paid during the year. Post reviewing the tax payable, you would want to match your turnover and input tax credit as per the books of accounts and your GST returns and look out for mismatches by clicking on the Sales and Purchase Summary tab. You can compare your turnover and input tax credit amounts as per the books and returns filed and look out for mismatches. This can be done by entering the outward and inward supplies summary, that is your sales and purchase summary, in the relevant cells. It is important to ensure that your total GST liability and input tax credit that is shown as per your books of accounts matches with the amount reported in GSTR9, which will be a part of the Review GSTR9 tab in the next step. Post checking the summary, you can go and check the overall observations in the Review GSTR9 tab with a simple checklist which will highlight the issues found in the file data downloaded in the first step. This is one of the most important features in our software, the Observations tab. Under this, you can get a comprehensive checklist which highlights all the issues found in the file data, such as discrepancies in GST liability paid and payable, differences in the input tax credit claimed between GSTR 3B and GSTR 9, differences between overall sales versus HSN summary for sales, etc. Now you can look into the checklist and go into the actions column to determine the tables which are being impacted, so that if there are any errors, then the respective tables can be updated and errors resolved. In the issues column, the issues found will become data matched once the differences are matched. It is not necessary to match all the data. This is just a probable error, and the data might be correct even post adjustments if there are issues found. Post reviewing the checklist, we will go into the GSTR 9 form, where you will notice the data has been auto-filled basis your filed data, which we pulled in the first step. Table 4, 5 and 9 are based on the auto-filled details downloaded from the GSTN. Data for tables 10, 11 and 17 gets auto-filled basis the GSTR 1 file, which is not provided by the GSTN, has to be updated manually. Similarly, auto-population of other tables is based on advanced logics and intelligence built by ClearTax. As you can see, we have summarized the form in 6 sections to make the navigation and the workflow simple to understand and finalize each section. Part 1 contains the basic details. Part 2 contains the sales outward supplies, all outward supplies as per GSTR 1 and GSTR 3B in table number 4 and 5. Part 3 has details of the ITC which are declared in table number 6 and 8. Part 4 covers the tax paid in table number 9. In part number 5, data for financial year 17-18 is declared in the return period of financial year 18-19 as per table number 10 to 14. Part 6 covers other details in table number 15 to 19, which includes supplies to job worker in the table number 16, HSN summary in table number 17 and 18, and late fee in table number 19. You can also add working notes in each of the fields for all tables. For the benefit of consultants and businesses, we have made our software interface just like Microsoft Excel for working online. You can use Excel-like features like Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V, Ctrl-X, Ctrl-Z, just like Excel, and even copy an entire table and paste it over here. Similarly, the data from this form can be copy-pasted back into any Excel if required. Any changes or updates that you make in the form, the cell in which the changes are made are highlighted with a color code for easy identification. Post saving the changes, you can move on to the next part of the form and take actions as per the tables defined. ClearTax GST has another important tool inbuilt in the software, where the HSN summary of the outward supplies has been already prepared and computed based on your GSTR 1 returns that have been filed. As you may know, providing this data is a time-consuming process that ClearTax has simplified for you. Both the summary of outward supplies as well as inward supplies will be auto-filled, and you can take appropriate action wherever necessary. For inward supplies, please ensure that the HSN codes which exceed in total 10% of the overall purchases have to be disclosed in the form. You can also download an Excel file which will have an audit trail for all the values with the bifurcation coming from GSTR 1, GSTR 3B and GSTR 2A. You can make changes in this Excel. Post making changes, you can import the Excel back into the ClearTax. The Excel template also contains an inbuilt audit trail from the GSTR 1, GSTR 2A and GSTR 3B. You can go inside each of the tables with the audit trail for each line item such as B2B, B2CS, B2CL, nil rated, CDN, amendment, advances and adjustments. The Excel also contains the trail for all the transactions which are pertaining to financial year 17-18 which have been declared in the return period 2017-18 and 2018-19. This will help you to identify the tax paid in financial year 2017-18 and 18-19 which pertains to financial year 17-18. This is important because while we finalize the GSTR 9 for financial year 18-19, the transactions which are present for financial year 17-18 in 18-19 are reduced, and this will be a check which is provided by the GSTN for the next GSTR 9 return. And making changes, you can now go to the returns section and click on GSTR 9, where you will get an option to import GSTR 9 Excel. After you're done with all the edits, you can review the form and click on Proceed to Filing using our intelligent CT Assistant, which will help in automating login into the GST portal, uploading all the values in the GSTR 9 form, and any value which is present will be updated except the values which are non-editable by the GSTN, like table number 6A, 8A and table number 9. Once all the data has been populated in the GST portal, users are suggested to review it once and then proceed to filing. In this video, you saw that how GSTR 9 filing is simplified by ClearTax through its unique features like one-click download of data for all 21 returns period for GSTR 1, 2A and 3B. Our 17-point checklist ensures filing data is reconciled with the books, and our GSTR 9 Excel has an inbuilt audit trail to GSTR 1, GSTR 2A and GSTR 3B to avoid any errors and easy validations. Experience seamless filing through CT Assistant and relax while filing gets completed automatically on the GSTN portal. So why to wait when you can now log in to ClearTax to do your GSTR 9 filing through our end-to-end product solution. And while filing, if you face any issues, you need some type of support for filing, please drop us a line at gstsupport@cleartax.in.